Whoop. Got a new, to me, work truck. It is Forest Service Green. It's out of Oregon. Hopefully I can get that in my name. Easy smeezy. I'm a little concerned maybe about the windshield. State Patrol might not like that it's cracked up front. I don't know if you can see it in the camera at all. But it's just cracked. We'll get inside. It's the F250 Triton V8. It's the 4.6 version. It's got some rust here. I need to take care of that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Rust. See, you can see the rust starting to stain. It's going through the paint. Have to get that taken care of. Let's see what we got here. I gotta get way up there. I'm a little bit short, I suppose. It's got the 4 doors. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's a lovely deck. It's not a horrible deck. It's definitely not up to date. However, for a work truck, I think it might be perfect. It does connect to my Bluetooth. Can you see the crack going across the whole dang window? Might have to get that replaced before the State Patrol says I can do something. This is falling down a little bit. I'll have to get that glued up. Got an alright looking back seat. Apparently these used to be the same, this kind of material, but the person replaced them, so that's cool. Let's see, I can do a cold start. I'm gonna need to get a brake pedal rubber patty. Look at that. That looks like kinda dangerous. It is a 5-speed 4x4. Whoop whoop. Haven't had a 6 shift in a minute. Pretty excited about that. Yeah. Let's see what I can do here. Did I bring the key? See, maybe it'd be more important to see what's going on back here. See if I can get this set up to where it's pointing at the exhaust, huh? Let's see. Get the brake. Let's see. There's the exhaust. See if I can. Here it is. Let's start it. That look like? Oh, they look good. Got the tow package with the brake. That brake. Boop, boop. Anyway, let's see. got a weird 7 lug. It's Forest Ranger edition. You're saying, how much? How much did you pay for this beauty? Oh man. Well, so far, the guy was asking $32 originally, and I talked him down to $25. And I think I got a good deal. I think I got a pretty good deal. Here's another issue. What's that about, man? Glad I didn't pay thousands and thousands of dollars to have that happen. Anyway, that's my truck. Yeah, let's get some work done now, eh? Got some pretty exciting news. I went and got a new windshield. So now I don't have to worry about that. It does still have a check engine light, and it seems to be one of the emissions control valve things. So I'm gonna go to get the sensor read at Shucks or O'Reilly's or whatever, and hopefully get that taken care of. And then I'm really hopeful it'll be easy to get in my name.